Good morning, students. Our today's topic is Python modules. As you know, modules are used to categorize Python code into smaller parts. A module is simply a Python file where classes, functions, and variables are defined. Grouping similar code into a single file make it easy to access. Now I am going to give you a practical demonstration how to create a module in Python. Open Python software, click on option file, choose option new file and type the program code here. Here I am creating a function area underscore square which are accepting one parameter and calculating area of square. Now again I am creating a new method, new function whose name is area underscore rectangle, which are accepting two parameters L and B and calculating area of rectangle. Again I am creating a new module, new method area underscore circle, which are accepting one parameter and calculating area of circle by using formula pi r square. So in this file, I have created three functions. My first function name is area underscore square, which are accepting one parameter and calculating area of square. My second function is area underscore rectangle, which are accepting two parameters L and B and calculating area of rectangle. My third function is area underscore circle, which are accepting one parameter radius and calculating area of circle by using formula pi r square. Now save this file with name area.py. Now save this file with name area.py. Now click on option file and choose option new file. Use type import area. By using import command, we can import a module. To import a module in Python, we use import command. Here import is our command and area is our module name. In order to access functions present in module, we have to give command like this module name dot function name. So we can access any function which is inside a module by module name and function name separated by dot. So dear student, we can access any function present in the module by module name dot function name separated by dot. So we can access any function which is inside a module by module name and function name separated by dot. This is the syntax for accessing a function present in module. Module name dot function name bracket के अंदर parameters. So import area dot area underscore square 5. Here area is our module name and area underscore square is the function present in module area underscore square. Area dot area underscore rectangle. Here area is our module name and area underscore rectangle is the function name present in module area underscore rectangle. Area dot area underscore circle 2.5. Here area is our module name, and area underscore circle is a function name present in module area. Now save this file with any name and click at option run module. So in this way you can create a module in Python. Thank you. Have a nice day.